Step into the Chevrolet 2017 Express Cargo Van. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering, power windows, traction control, rear-wheel drive, trip computer, intermittent wipers and tire pressure monitoring system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.